Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are doing a FABFITFUN fall box unboxing. Oh my goodness, where has the time gone? I feel like I just unboxed the summer box and now we're on to fall. Time is just flying by, you guys, honestly, but I'm so excited. I love fall. I always just like look forward to the fall box from FABFITFUN. I don't know why, it's so cozy to me. I love fall time, the pumpkin spice vibes. I also tried my best to dress like fallish today. The outfit really didn't go with the vibe because it's literally 34 degrees out today and you know, a sweater doesn't really cut it, but I did my makeup kind of fallish, so at least there's that. But anyways, as always, before we go ahead and jump into the unboxing, I just want to chat about FABFITFUN a little bit, just in case you guys are curious. So FABFITFUN is a seasonal subscription box, meaning you're gonna get it every fall, winter, spring, and summer. And in those boxes, you can pretty much get anything along the lines of fashion, beauty, lifestyle, fitness, and all full-size products. Also, FABFITFUN boxes are actually customizable, which I love. And also, if you're curious, FABFITFUN is available in the US, Canada, and the UK. And one last thing, you guys, I want to mention before we get into the actual unboxing is that I do have a discount code with FABFITFUN. It is Leah. I'll have it right here and also in the description bar below. And with using that code, you can get a whole $10 off your first box. But anyways, I think I rambled on enough. Let's go ahead and unbox this. All right, let's just first go ahead and take a moment and appreciate how freaking cute this box is. All right, you guys, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and start this unboxing on a crazy note, and I'm gonna show you my favorite product inside the box first. Why not? Let's do it. So this is the first thing right here. I actually went ahead and picked this one. Oh my goodness, can we just talk about how freaking adorable this is? So this is a Dutch oven, so that's what it looks like there. I can't get over this. I am honestly obsessed. Okay, so a little bit about this Dutch oven. I went ahead and kept the card just so I would know. So the brand is Golden Rabbit Enamelware. It has a signature stainless steel rim. It is durable and lightweight carbon steel interior, and it has a non-stick fused porcelain finish. You can cook inside this thing, broil, bake, grill, and it says cut. And it also says each piece is made to withstand extreme temperatures, and it's dishwasher safe and BPA free, so I love that. I am just honestly so excited to use this, you guys. You can tell that it's really good quality. It's definitely not the biggest thing in the world, but I feel like it'd be really great for desserts, maybe like a single person or like a two-person family or something like that. I feel like this would be perfect, but I'm just absolutely over the moon about this. I seriously love it. Like I said, I think it is my favorite product inside the box, so I'm so happy with this. And you guys, just think about the fall recipes and the desserts that you can cook inside that thing. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this guy next. This is the Pure Lease Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. Oh my goodness, you guys, I used this last night. I'm obsessed, basically. I feel like this is my new favorite mask. I'm not really a big mask person, and if I do a mask, it's probably gonna be like one of those sheet ones, like on a spa night or something like that. But I was like, you know what, let's give this a go, let's try it out. I put it on last night. So it is one of those like wash off masks, so you put it on your face and then about 10-15 minutes later you take it off with water. But I could not get over how much I love this, and it smells divine, you guys. It smells divine. Look how cute this is, you guys. Like, is this not giving you fall vibes? So it says the benefits of this mask is that the pumpkin is a powerful antioxidant loaded with vitamin C to protect from signs of aging. It says the ginger helps reduce inflammation and even skin tone, and the white clay tightens skin and purifies pores. And that is what the actual product looks like right there. So it is white. So yeah, basically you just take some of this. It says to apply it in like a nice thin layer, which I did last night. And also the best thing about this too, you guys, which I really like, it's also an exfoliator. So it has little tiny like exfoliant beads in it and just feels so nice on the skin. My skin felt so soft after I used this last night. I honestly could not get over it. And like I said earlier, the smell, amazing. It smells exactly like pumpkin spice, fall goodies, just a, you know, amazingness. And also, just in case you guys are curious, this is a 2.5 ounce bottle, which I think is pretty good. So next we have this one right here. So this is actually a product that I didn't choose. So basically this is from the brand Cloud Nola, and it is called a block clock. So it is essentially exactly what it says it is. It's a block that is a clock, but it does have other features besides that as well. So on the box here, it says it tells the time, it has 3 alarms, it tells you the temperature, it has a calendar, it has 4 different brightness modes, and you can either do a 12 or 24-hour time. So I think that's pretty neat. This would be really cool to keep on like a side table by your bed or something like that. It's also really cute as well. It's almost like a marble design. It's just like a really pretty simple like white and gray marble. So it does come with a USB charger, and then it also comes with 3 batteries as well, which I love. I love when batteries are included with products. I think that's like the best thing ever. But I was reading in this little instruction manual here that majority of the time it should be used with the charging cord instead of the batteries. The batteries are more so just kind of like a backup thing. I just think this is really neat. It's cool. It's different. I think also it would make a really great gift as well in case you didn't want to keep it. I think this would be a pretty cool gift. All right, so the next thing I went ahead and kept the packaging for as well, and this is from the brand The Two Bandits. So this might be a little bit hard to show right now, but this is actually a tiered tray. So it's one of those like catch-all trays or jewelry trays, or just like to throw your keys in, your knickknacks, anything like that. And it's cool because you can go ahead and you can move it around whichever way you want. I really like that. I also just really like the design of this. I like the wood top and how it's just like a plain white. And then on the inside there, it almost has this like gray felt bottom. But I just think this is so pretty. I was also thinking, you guys, instead of using this like just solely for jewelry, you could put like a couple themed decor pieces in there, like little pumpkins for fall time. I think that would be super cute. So I'm excited to use this and play around with it and see what I can store in there. We'll have to see. Okay, this next thing I'm actually really excited for. This is from the brand Pattern, and it is their Curl Shine, Define, and Hold Gel. So it says on the back here that this is great for curlies, coilies, and tight textures when your curls want to bounce and be free. So it says to apply on wet hair for wash and goes, braids and twist outs, or on damp or dry hair for slick looks. I actually do have naturally curly hair. It's just straight right now, but I am honestly just on the hunt to find a good curl product, something that's going to make my curls look nice and, you know, not really frizzy and kind of just like a good curly look. Because a lot of times that's why I don't really wear my hair curly, is because it's just kind of all over the place. I haven't used it yet, so I can't say too much about that. But you guys, the smell, amazing. Amazing. Oh my goodness. It's also paraben free, it's color safe, it's silicone free, formaldehyde free, so it's a pretty good product in that sense. I'm just really excited to use this and give it a go. It's also a really big bottle. This is 9.8 fluid ounces, so this is probably going to last a really long time. All right, this is the next thing right here, and again, this is another product that I didn't pick. So this is the Hip Lunch Pack. It's basically a reusable lunch pack, and you just kind of roll it down like this, if I can actually get it right, and then put the string over and do something along the lines of that. I'm not exactly sure, but I think this is a pretty neat thing. It feels really cool. Like, it's just cool to touch. I don't really know how to describe it. It's definitely not like the biggest lunch pack in the world. I'm not sure how much you could actually fit in there. So basically this was designed to kind of eliminate single-use plastic, which I really like, and I can always appreciate that. And it says on the front part of the tag here that this is ideal for taking meals on the go, storing food, filling bulk grains and coffee, or handfuls of snacks. I really like the concept of this, and I think it'll definitely come in handy. So this is the next product that I got right here, and if you're thinking that looks a little bit familiar, it's because I actually already own this. So this is the Islands of Italy Capri Bath Gel. So again, this wasn't something that I customized, but I am really happy that I got it because I do actually enjoy this product. So this is their peach champagne fragrance. It smells really good. It's very light and summery, and it's just a really good scent. I don't know yet if I'm gonna actually keep this or just give this to somebody because I already own it. So I'm gonna go ahead and check later how much I have left in my other one, and depending on that, I might keep it, I might give it away, I'm not sure, but yeah. All right, you guys, and the last product that I got inside my fall box is this right here. So this is the Kors Renewing Body Cleanser. It's in the scent Santorini Grape, and this is supposed to renew and hydrate. I am actually super excited in giving this a go and trying it out. So it says on the back here that this gel to foam shower gel combines aloe extract, wheat proteins, and althea extract, I believe, to help maintain the skin's natural moisture level for a comforted clean each day. The multitasking formula is perfect for bath, shower, and shave. And it also says that the scent is a fresh fruity aroma of juicy grapes, berries, and violet with a hint of lime. It smells so good, you guys. I can definitely smell that lime in there for sure. It's actually a really strong scent. I like it a lot. I don't get too much grape, to be honest with you guys, but I'm definitely getting that lime a lot. But like I said, I'm really excited to use this. I also have never tried anything from Kors before, and apparently like they're a really good brand, so I'm excited about that as well. And also, just in case anybody's curious about the size, this is a 8.4 fluid ounce bottle. All right, you guys, so that was everything in my FABFITFUN fall box. I am really pleased with this box. Like I said, if I had to pick a favorite, I think I definitely have to go with the Dutch oven. I'm just so impressed with that, and I can't wait to use it, so I think that's definitely my favorite. But like always, let me know in the comments which item was your favorite. Would you be interested in getting this box? Are you excited for fall? Because I definitely am, so let me know all that in the comments down below. And also, like I said in the beginning, I do have a discount code. It is Morgan Leah for $10 off your first box. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to go follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. Both will be down below. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!